A major protest is being held by CPM cadres in Chennai currently, and this is at Paris Corner, a very important junction which has come to a standstill because of this protest. This is CPM cadres protesting against the Farm Bill and the changes that was brought to it, and they claim that the Farm Bill 2020 amendments should be immediately withdrawn. In fact, as we say, are being arrested and they have been taken into the van. The protest initially began as a very a mild protest, but apparently they changed it by the whole roadblock was set up over here. CPM cadres demanding that the bill should be brought, should be withdrawn. Actually, they are protesting at this spot currently. Police are trying to control the situation. However, the protest still continues, and various people who are here, whom we spoke to, very clearly mentioned that the Tamil Nadu government, that they are claiming that Tamil Nadu government should not support it, and that's the reason they are holding a protest at this point. Now, CPM, DMK and various other opposition parties from the state are, and in fact, the DMK is holding a meeting as we speak, an all-party meeting where they are taking decisions against it, and they claim that this bill and the changes brought to it is entirely against the interest of the farmers. This is at Paris, where you could see the whole stretch is completely blocked, but the CPM cadres claim that it is of utmost necessary that the people come to know what exactly is happening, and that's the reason they are protesting at this spot, at this location. In fact, except for AIADMK, all other opposition parties in the state, AIADMK, the ruling government, is supporting it, and it also supported the bill in the Lok Sabha. Interestingly, S.R. Balasubramaniam, who is actually the AIADMK MP in Rajya Sabha, he himself raised a series of questions against the bill, first and foremost asking what is the urgency in actually passing the bill. The second question is that S.R. Balasubramaniam, the AIADMK MP, is also stated that this bill is only showing that contract farming has not succeeded in any part of the world, and the government should think about it before bringing in bill. However, AIADMK also supported the bill in Rajya Sabha, and S.R. Balasubramaniam later gave an explanation that only abiding to the party's command, he had gone ahead and supported it. Currently, CPM is holding protests over here, whereas several protests against the bill has also occurred in Namakkal, in various other districts as well. In Tanjavur, when the bill, farmers got together, they actually tore down the bill and set it on fire. So several protests against the bill is occurring in the state, and Chennai, where the CPM cadres are protesting against it, and as we speak, they are being arrested and they are being taken to probably a hall where they'll be kept for the day. CPM is very clearly mentioning that this bill is against the farmers' interest, and that is why it should be withdrawn. Now, what the Chief Minister is going to decide, we need to wait and watch. But however, the Chief Minister's current decision is that the bill is actually will help with the reforms in the farming sector, and that's why Edappadi K. Palaniswamy is supporting it. In Chennai, Pramod Madhav,